Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and use Revolut's saving features. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is setting up savings. So how you're going to do this is to first open the Revolut app and of course log into your account, and then go to the savings tab. Now you want to tap on create a savings goals, and then just choose a saving goal type. That could be for vacation purposes or emergency funds, rent, whatever. And then just set a target amount and deadline for your saving goals. Now you can also just add money to savings anytime, and you can do this by transferring funds from your primary Revolut account to your savings account. You could also set up automatic transfers from your primary account to savings account, and you could also use Revolut's roundups features to automatically transfer spare change from your transactions to your savings accounts. Now when we talk about managing savings, there are a couple of things that you can do to manage your savings. The first, of course, is to view your savings progress and track your progress towards their target amounts. And the second, of course, you can also edit your saving goals details, including the target amount as well as the deadline. And of course, you can also withdraw funds from your savings account back to your primary account. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps a lot. Please make sure that you ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.